I am the last seagull in New York. Oh, what a cold and bitter winter it has been. I'm all alone here. They've all migrated away and left me here to die.
Hey, Steve, how's it going?
Oh, how I wish I had someone to talk
Is
to.
that Steve over there?
Oh, I didn't know Steve was here.
Steve!
Oh, it's Steve.
Hey, Steve!
Steve-O!
Tell my story, New York.
What was Steve saying just now?